have a fundamental right that we all are free to speak, but there is a restriction called responsibility. We know how to differentiate between responsibility and burden. We are not supporting burden, but responsibility in every aspect of life to grow is must, and must like it was forever. And why I am not supporting freedom? Because freedom is it's mandatory but not accessible. We have see in the world of social media, this excessive freedom is just spoiling our society. We are not able to like spreading misinformation, false accusation, and this much of like hate. So why do you support this much of freedom?
Okay, so actually, there is not about fundamental right or constitution of India. It's a huge thing. It's important. It's a mandatory.
Yes.
I am just a live example. You are saying everyone here are responsible person.
Yes.
How many people taken as a responsibility to fill the form and pay 10 rupees amount? Raj sir already told us. Almost 4 to 5 times. How many responsible person showing their responsibility, to fill the form on the priority basis?
I have a better counter for this. Responsibility and necessity. There is a difference. This is not a responsibility. This is not a necessity. Matlab, it's just up to discretionary. If they don't fill up the form, they didn't lose anything much bigger in their life. You know.
If you are saying
Prioritizing the things is very important in their life. You know.
It is like that, na? They are unable to prioritize the things.
if just
That depends person to person. I don't any point anyone to do fill the
What do you
form.
understand by responsibility?
Responsibility make person to do their things which they are willing to do in a perfect way. Like responsibility, they are willing to do in
What
a
about freedom?
freedom. I think
Freedom is that-
without responsibility is nothing.
Freedom is that whatever things they are willing to do, they can do freely. It is called freedom.
Yes.
But in responsibilities, they stop just because of the responsibility.
There is a difference between responsibility and burden. Responsibility make you to do this.
We are differentiating freedom and responsibility.
Okay.
Then I differentiate both. And you have to support responsibilities.
Yes. So responsibility doesn't give you freedom. It is more than freedom. Responsibility makes your character. Knows you how to calm, compose, and so you are mature person. Because freedom just give you a flyovers. This is not a whole of life. Life is all about stability, responsibility, calmness to achieve something. Because I know freedom just give you. I was out of my hometown, and here if I just use my freedom, I was nothing. I am responsible enough to go coaching from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now I'm here, and after this I will go to my coaching back. Then after I'll go to eat food and whatever. Just come with my responsibility that I have to do work in my life. The responsibility just distract me. I think responsibility in amount is applicable, but after that I don't think it's very much necessary. Or in this world, democratic India, everybody has that much of freedom. Though we can't ask more. I thought. And that's something
Yes,
best.
Anybody else? Why are you supporting freedom?
I think responsibilities hide people real side of their character. Like you are in school, when you are in school and colleges, you are too happy and you feel happiness from your inside. But when you become a responsible person, like you start doing job, so you live like a robotic life. You don't feel freedom. So it hide your character, real
You
character,
are not enjoying your life.
enjoying your life. So that's why
Correct?
freedom, I
Anybody
support
else?
freedom.
Yes.
We are not enjoying our life in responsibilities.
We in many sectors we have responsible for many things. It is just only happen in childhood.
According
When
to
we
me,
are
me बोल के
child,
बोलना
it's
start
just
करना?
we are free for everything. But our age is not stop only like 15 to 18. It's just growing age. So it will be create you a responsible person. And age factor is more important.
He is saying if we are responsible, so we don't enjoy our life just because of restrictions, just because of pressure. But if we are free, we have freedom, we can enjoy our life.
If you are free now, so there are so many things. Are you thinking for your future, about your future? So you feel stressed, and I think if you are in responsibility, this is comes with inside you, कि you feel enjoyable or not.
I had a better counter for this.
Yes.
So he argued that freedom makes you less enjoyable, but that's completely wrong or misunderstood, because if you love your work, that's very important for a successful man and a composed calm man to do their work with responsibility. If they're responsible and they are doing their work, they will enjoy their work and their life. Like the example, sir, he's doing his work and he's happy enough in his life. So make your work as a bless worship, you know. Don't take it as a burden. I already in starting I clarified between burden and responsibility. We are supporting responsibility because we know about our family to future. We have to understand this. So I think that's
Don't
it.
take as a burden.
Yeah, take it as a
Thanks.
great.
Don't take it as a burden. Anything you can say. अगर आपको कुछ और point है तो you can spell it. You want to answer? Yes.
According to me, freedom is not just about ability to do whatever we want. The real meaning of freedom is having the courage to think independently and speak honestly and choose the real path of the life.
Okay.
And for example, a bird looks beautiful in the sky because it is
Is enjoying freedom.
because it is enjoy freedom. In the same way, human can achieve their goals, their dreams when they have freedom. So according to me, freedom gives us confidence, creativity and power of energy to express ourselves.
Responsibility make us think twice, thrice, and many more. But I don't think that thinking more and more about one thing is like less important. Is very much important, because in this in our country, like we had a population of 140, more than 140 crore people, and there is like very slightly people are successful. But because why they are not successful? Because they are not thinking that much. As I came out from my home and without enough freedom, in that much of freedom, I thought that I have to do defense, and I'm not able to do it because that's what my freedom is doing. I love it. That's not what meant for you. That what meant for you is that you have to do with full responsibility. And like just she quote that a bird is flying in the sky is a good sign of freedom. Yeah, I know that's a good sign of freedom, but she also had a word. She also had a responsibility to go in the nest and collect food for their children. That's called responsibility. Responsibility is must, and without responsibility, nobody can do anything. And yeah, give me counter on that.
Yes. Who would like to counter on it? और कोई? No. बोलो भाई. माइक मेरे पास है.
Yes.
In my professional life, I always said one thing to my senior: don't pressurize on me and don't pressurize to our team also. I know that best performance comes during the pressure, but huge pressure, huge tension, huge headache is always hidden your personal life also. It will damage your personal life also. It will damage your emotion. It will damage your actual phase of your life. But whenever I feel free, then I will commit to my senior always. I will complete your all category at the month of the end, and I will do it. I will give free hand to my team also, and they will give me always fantastic response. Whenever it's required, then I will pressurize little bit on. It's depend on case to case, but not always and not everyone. It's depend on case to case.
Yes.
So, but if we give a free hand to our team, then they will provide us